Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was up at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
In this constantly evolving world, financial empowerment has taken on a new dimension. The internet has unlocked endless opportunities for earning money online, but with these opportunities comes the challenge of managing and maximizing these earnings effectively. This guide to financial empowerment will show you how to take control of your online earnings. Understanding online income sources. The first step in this journey is understanding the various sources of online income. The internet offers a wide range of earning opportunities, from freelancing in various fields like writing, graphic design, and programming, to digital marketing, affiliate marketing, content creation, e-commerce, and investing in digital assets like cryptocurrencies. Each of these sources has its own potential and requirements. For instance, freelancing offers flexibility but might come with income instability, while e-commerce requires a good understanding of the online marketplace but can be highly lucrative. It's essential to explore these avenues and understand which aligns best with your skills and interests. Budgeting and financial planning. Once you've identified your online income sources, the next crucial step is budgeting and financial planning. This is especially important for online earnings, which can often be irregular. Start by setting clear financial goals and tracking all your income and expenses. Tools like budgeting apps can help you manage your finances more effectively. Remember, a budget is not just about tracking expenses. It's about planning for the future. It's about setting aside savings for lean times, investing in your growth, and ensuring that your online earnings translate into financial stability and growth. Maximizing online earnings. Maximizing your online earnings is not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. This means improving your skills continuously to stay. Reinvest in your business or skills. A key strategy for growth is to reinvest a portion of your earnings back into your own online venture. This could mean investing in better equipment, advanced software, or even upgrading your website. For freelancers and content creators, it might involve spending on professional development courses, attending industry conferences, or obtaining certifications that enhance your skills and marketability. By continuously improving your business or skill set, you increase your potential to earn more in the future. Explore diverse investment options. Don't limit your investments to just your field of work. Look into other avenues like the stock market, real estate, or mutual funds. These traditional investment paths can provide a safety net and grow your wealth over time. For those comfortable with more contemporary options, digital investments such as cryptocurrencies or peer-to-peer lending platforms can also be considered, keeping in mind their risk profiles. Risk management and security. In the online world, risks such as cyber threats, fraud, and market volatility are prevalent. Protecting your online earnings involves implementing strong security measures for your digital assets. Use robust passwords, two-factor authentication, and secure networks to protect your online accounts. Moreover, it's essential to be vigilant about scams and fraudulent schemes that prey on online earners. Always conduct due diligence before engaging in any online transaction or investment. Success stories and interviews. Learning from those who have successfully navigated the online earning landscape can be incredibly inspiring and educational. Seek out interviews and success stories of individuals who have made a significant impact through their online ventures. These narratives not only serve as motivation but also provide practical insights and strategies that you can apply in your own journey. Taking control of your online earnings is a journey of continuous learning and adaptation. The digital world offers endless possibilities, but it requires diligence, smart planning, and a proactive approach to make the most of these opportunities. Start by assessing your current online income sources and how you can optimize them. Implement a robust financial plan and be mindful of the legal and tax implications of your online activities. Invest wisely, both in your business and in your personal growth, and always stay alert to the risks involved. Financial empowerment is within your reach. With the right strategies and mindset, you can transform your online earnings into a foundation for long-term financial success and stability. Take the first step today towards taking control of your online earnings and charting a path to financial empowerment.
Imagine earning thousands in passive income from your very own automated Faceless YouTube channel. The opportunity is just a click away. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't be left behind. Thousands of people are already creating financial success. Don't miss out on your chance to join them. Click the link in the description now and start your path to financial freedom. Your future awaits. Like this video and subscribe to learn more about making.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.